Hey,
That's it?
nice place.
Okay. Beat it.
You think?
Don't make me wait for you too much.
That would be pretty ballin'.
It's a nice lens.
Free ballin' meets free riding.
What's that, about 8 turns? Look how far down he is. Sweet! Sweet! Come on, buddy, keep working those turns. It's tough up there. It's thick stuff. Oops. Is he coming around? No, he ain't gonna come around that side. Come on, buddy, pop out. No foul. It's all fun. Man, Victor, look at those turns. Look at those turns, Victor.
Nice.